to float.
We are all ready and I'm excited to take you guys along with me for the wedding today.
Be single.
This is so awkward. That is wet. Okay, how much is that one? I have to pump and dump. I've just been drinking and I can't take it with me. Second pump of the night. It's gonna be another pump and dump. I feel so awkward because I'm pumping right now. So I'll look a little bit like Dolly. I feel like people have been drinking though, so maybe they're just like not gonna pay attention.